Welcome back to Shoe Care Academy and Happy New Year for all my good people. For everybody that's been supporting the channel for this long, we appreciate you. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We got videos lined up all year. You do not want to miss it. Without further ado, we've got probably one of the best shoes to drop in 2023. These are definitely in my top 10, which kind of pains me to see them in this state, but that's what we do. We get the shoes dirty so that y'all don't have to, and so y'all know exactly what to do and what not to do. So we're gonna be cleaning these bad boys up, bringing them back to life, and we'll bring y'all along for the process. So let's do it. So for today's cleaning, we'll be using the Reshoevn8r Signature Kit, which is honestly one of my favorites. It includes our patented laundry system. Pairing that with our sneaker laundry pods is gonna be the best way to flush out all the deeper stains. I'm assuming we'll get some deeper staining in this woven material and possibly in the tongue. So we just wanna be prepared for that. Let's get our cleaning station set up and get to it. There it is, we got what we need to get the job done. Now, we put this shoe to the side. First step, take out these laces. A little fun fact in there, these are my personal pair, which, you know, y'all might be asking me like, why am I not more upset, or, you know, why am I not crying? I know I'm getting a new pair after this, so shout out to Reshoevn8r. We gotta get some water in the bowl. All right, fam, so once your water is in the bowl, all you wanna do is take your solution, give yourself 2 nice squirts, and these laces are looking really dusty, so we'll drop these in there, hopefully knock off some of that dirt. And as far as this shoe, we're gonna take it outside, dry brush some of this caked on dirt, and hopefully that'll put us in a better situation. So let's go outside. Back inside, we got the shoe dry brushed. It's already looking way better, and that's making me feel way better. Next step, we just gotta grab our shoe tree, pop this in the shoe, bam. All right, perfect. So the purpose of that shoe tree is really to help keep the form of the shoe. It's gonna help combat some of the creasing, and it's gonna allow us to put as much pressure as we need to on these certain areas. So now that that's taken care of, the next step is gonna be our soft bristle brush. Let's get that open. This is always the brush we start off with, mainly because it produces the most suds. And what I like about this is it's just a general top layer pass, and we'll be able to see where the deeper stains are when we're done with this. So let's do it. The soft bristle brush is doing its thing right now. As you can see, it's doing a great job breaking down this first layer of dirt. Honestly, I think the shoe would be looking a lot cleaner if it wasn't for this woven material, but we still got a few more steps left, so I ain't worried. All right, my people, so this is where we're at after just that soft brush. Shoe's looking pretty good. Now there is some deeper staining along the midsole, and the uppers are looking pretty good besides this woven material, but I'm confident that the laundry system is gonna take care of that. So until then, let's just grab our medium brush and get to scrubbing. With the medium brush, my main focus is going to be here on the midsole, and I want to spend a little bit more time and attention on this woven material. Oh. Now that we got that medium brush out the way, let's just towel down the shoe. And sometimes on Jordan 1s specifically, this top rubber lip can be a little bit tricky. So whenever that happens, I just take the microfiber towel and then I kind of scrub, buff along that area, and that always does the trick. With that being said, I like where this midsole is at. Next step, just gotta hit this outsole. But before I do that, I just wanna get a new cleaning mat because this is disgusting. And this is part of the reason why you should get a cleaning mat, because this would have been all over the table. So let's get that out the way. Ugh. Give me a sound effect on that, please. We got our new cleaning mat in place. Now, before I hit this outsole with a stiff bristle brush, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite Jordan and Union sneaker to ever come out? Mine, it's gotta be the black toes. So somebody hook me up for retail. Come on. outsole is visible again, and that wraps up our pre-treatment on these sneakers. Now to fully flush out all the dirt that's trapped in, we gotta throw in the washer. So let's do it. I'll meet y'all over there. We got the laces pulled out that water. Now they've been soaking the whole time, so we're not gonna hand wash them. We'll just drop them right in here with the sneakers. And that's also one of the dopest parts about this bag is it's got its own compartment just for your laces. The secret formula. We're back. We got the shoe out the washer and it's been just about 24 hours. We got the shoe fully dried and it's looking pretty good. I just want to put a little bit more elbow grease into this woven material as well as this mesh tongue. After that, we'll drop them back in the washer one more time and that should do the trick. So now we'll hit a quick clean with our soft, medium, and stiff brush before we toss it back in the washer. We got that second pre-treatment out the way. Now it's time for round 2 of the washer. Let's do it. And I hit on sneakers. Let's go, boy. All right, so while we let that shoe cook for a second time, I think it's a great opportunity to pull in my boy Vic Almighty's custom from a couple months ago. He got a ton of great feedback on these, especially the teal swooshes, which matches the BBS stitching on the back. That stands for Beffy's Beauty Supply. I definitely recommend y'all going to check out that video if you haven't. It's a must watch. In my opinion, Vic did his thing as usual. I mean, these are super clean. They pretty much look factory. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer the lows or the highs? I love you, Vic, but there's just something crazy about them highs. I'm just a high tab guy. We can cut that out. We back and I am pleased. The shoe's looking great. We got that second wash cycle, really helped out a lot. This woven material is looking clean, flushed out all that trapped in dirt, and I really got no complaints except for, Ace, cut the beat real quick. Listen in, buttery soft, crispy crunchy. What we gotta do is use our dry suede kit and bring that bad boy back to life. If you guys are using a dry suede eraser at home, just make sure you're not applying too much pressure. You want to be pretty gentle and brush in all directions. We got the shoe completely taken care of. Now, it's time to lace them up. We got this shoe completely cleaned up. It's looking great, and as I mentioned earlier, these are in my top 10 sneakers of 2023. I know when the photo was first leaked, they were pretty controversial. A lot of people hated them, a lot of people loved them. I was kind of on the fence. I'm a person that needs to see the shoe on feet before I can make my final decision, and when I did, I loved them. So that's why I got them. Let me know if these are in your top 10, and if not, what do you think about the sneaker? With all that being said, let me go ahead and pull this before in so you can see how we did. Wham! Check it out. We got some hair falling off the sneakers. Ugh. We were able to get these results with our signature kit paired with our sneaker laundry pods, dry rack and bowl combo. We kept our area nice and clean with our cleaning mat. And we reset the nap on those swooshes with our Reshoevn8r dry suede kit. Everything used today can be found on Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you tap in. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave us a comment. What sneaker do you want to see us clean next? With all that being said, it's your boy Megell Street, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.